morning, I am Anvi Ravindra Kumar Bhosle. Today I am so happy because I met Shraddha ma'am in school. This year I enjoy learning in a different way. I met ma'am regular in virtual classes, but that time I always miss my school bell, water break songs and mostly school prayer. It's too bored to study alone with mobile. Now I wish I wanted to study with my friends and teachers. I eagerly waiting when school going to start physically. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rujun Pawar from 5th Ruby. Today I am going to speak about which school is better, physical or virtual. I think that the physical classes are better than virtual, as in physical classes we can see our teachers, talk to our friends freely, etc. But in virtual classes there are internet issues, can't talk to our friends, can't see our friends, etc. So when the virtual classes started with the lockdown, I was feeling uncomfortable as the physical classes were not going on. But that time my grandmother was with me and she used to sit with me besides me and she used to attend my classes. She used to love my maths class, music class, art and craft class. So I started to enjoy with her and someday I enjoyed my virtual classes a lot. Thank you.
Hello teachers and friends. My name is Manvi Vianney from grade 2nd Diamond. Today I am going to tell you which schooling is best. I will choose always virtual, physical, because we can interact with our teachers and friends. We are excited to perform our annual gathering and we can do many outdoor things in the school like running, playing and dancing, etc. We are excited to participate in our various competitions. We get more time to enjoy in the school than in virtual classes. This I want to tell about my physical school. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am Dhiri Lakshmi Yadav from 5th Diamond. I am here to share my experience about the virtual classes. My experience of the virtual classes was interesting. At the beginning, when the virtual classes started, I was struggling to join the meeting, to unmute, to raise hand, etc. until so mad. And also the internet connection was not stable. But after few days, I was very well known how to use it. I was very happy when I received the message from my class teacher Sheikh sir about the virtual classes, as I thought that I would be able to attend all the classes from the comfort of my house. But now I think that physical school is more better than the virtual classes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Swell. Today I am going to share my experience with virtual classes. Virtual classes were very great. Teachers were teaching us nicely and I was feeling like I am an employee of a big IT company like my elder brother. But I was missing friends, our assembly, our classroom and many more things. I wish to reopen the offline school. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Meera Balosa from 2nd Diamond. Today I am going to tell what did we miss during virtual classes. During virtual classes, I missed my Poddar International School, my friends, teachers, the books in the library, ground, music room, coming parents and PTA. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sai Manahal Patil from grade 3rd Open from Poddar International School, Sangli. Today I am very excited to come to school to meet my teachers and friends. But in this pandemic, our school was virtual, so we can't meet our teachers and friends. I miss my teachers, friends, assembly, school's ground and also school's atmosphere. May God take this corona away and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Zoya Sheikh and I am from class 5th Opal. Today I am going to share my views on virtual classes. As you all know the current situation of COVID-19 pandemic, our school buildings are closed physically, but our learning is not stopped. We have another way to learn, that is virtually. We connect through Zoom and we meet our teachers and friends. We learn many things virtually. This pandemic has taught us many things. We learned technology which I was not knowing personally, and how to search, download. We have learned many things, but it doesn't mean that I'm not missing my physical school. I'm missing my physical school. We were eating lunch together. We were playing on grounds. I'm missing my music room also. So stay fit, stay healthy, and stay home. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I'm Tanya Shah from grade 5th Topaz, and I'm today going to tell the experience of the virtual class. When the virtual class started, I felt so boring because there were no teachers, no friends and no playground. Only there was myself, my mobile phone and me. So I felt so boring that time. But 1 week later, I felt that I am understanding all chapters and I was also chatting with my friends. So when I was chatting with my friends in the chat box, the ma'am told me, "Where is your attention? See here carefully." So I quit the chat box and came and attended the class carefully. Afterwards, the ma'am observed that all the children are also chatting, so she disabled the chat box. The end of the chatting. Few afterwards, the ma'am thought they are getting bored now. So ma'am told us by entertaining the educational jokes and riddles. Afterwards, I feel that the virtual class is fun. But the school is more better and I love and I feel energetic that east or west, the school is best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shreya and I was previously studying in grade 9 and now I am promoted to grade 10. Today I am interested to speak about topic which schooling do I prefer, virtual or physical. So according to me, physical school is better than virtual classes. No doubt, communication is important in expecting good results between teachers and students, and good communication is possible only in physical school. So I prefer that we can ask our doubts instantly in a physical school. So physical school is better over virtual classes. Secondly, concept clarity is very important in excelling any exam. So concept clarity can come only when we go to school and have a face-to-face discussion. So yeah, that's what I feel. Keep learning, stay happy and healthy. Bye.
Good morning everyone, I am Tisha Gala and today I will be sharing my views on which schooling is better, physical or virtual. Virtual was demand of pandemic, and even the school, the staff and the teachers had given their best efforts to conduct virtual classes effectively. But I prefer physical school. In physical school, it helps in physical as well as mental health. It encourages a physical as well as mental health. In school we interact with our teachers, we interact with our friends, and in virtual we just sit at one place, which also harms our physical as well as mental health. We come to school, we get to play and we get to talk with our friends, or our friends can help us in doing our homework. So according to me, physical school is the best opinion. And even virtual is good, but I prefer physical school. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Gargi Harsha Fadnis. I am in 3rd Opal. I am missing the physical school and how the teachers take the virtual classes. I am just surprised by how the teachers are taking the virtual classes and making the quizzes for the children and memory games. And I am writing the poems and I had given to Prashant sir. He tuned one of my poems, My School. It was tuned very nicely and prettily that I loved and I learned it, and all the time I just sing this poem only. Yeah.
टिंग 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 घंटी वाजू दे, टिंग 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 घंटी वाजू दे, मित्रांना भेटायला मला जाऊ दे, टिंग 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 घंटी वाजू दे, मित्रांना भेटायला मला जाऊ दे, गमती जमती टिवल्या भावल्या, हे गमती जमती टिवल्या भावल्या, मित्रांसोबत खायची वडा चकल्या, वाटून खाण्यात गंमत न्यारी, हे वाटून खाण्यात गंमत न्यारी, कधी चॉकलेट केक कधी बिस्किट खारी, टिंग 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 घंटी वाजू दे, टिंग 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 घंटी वाजू दे, मित्रांना भेटायला मला जाऊ दे. And I'm missing the school so much that I hope that the school is going to reopen when I am going to 4th standard. Thank you.